Hello, let's talk. Why Nikola Tesla called 369 the key to the universe? Tesla 369 obsession began with his fixation on the number 3 and suggests that the 3, 6, and 9 could hold the key to the universe. The theory has been co-opted and expanded upon even today by people who hope to improve their lives by manifesting their desires through repeatedly writing them out. If you write 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night for 45 days, this is a manifestation method for whatever it is you desire. Moreover, the significance of the number 3, just not known by Tesla, but a lot of other people of this era relate to the number 3. It could make more sense taking real-life examples from an atom consisting of 3 subatomic particles, proton, neutron, and electron. To the Holy Trinity, God, Jesus, and the Holy Spirit from the Holy Bible, Egyptian mythology also featured 3 gods that represent the heaven, the earth, and the abyss. The evolution of our ideas are from the past. Our experience is always the present. And all of our imaginations and aspirations are of the future, making the 3 call sacred for time. It is also the name of a deity, in which sense it is not always distinguishable from color, meaning black. The gold ratio in mathematics is a special number found by dividing a line into 2 parts such that the longer part divided by the smaller part is also equal to the whole length divided by the longer part. It is often symbolized using phi after the 21st letter of the Greek alphabet. In an equation form, it may sound like this: A divided by B equal parentheses A plus B divided by A, and then you can figure that out with a calculator. The golden ratio was used to achieve balance and beauty in many Renaissance paintings and sculptures. Da Vinci himself used the golden ratio to define all of the proportions in his Last Supper, including the dimensions of the table and the proportions of the walls and the backgrounds. The golden ratio also appears in Da Vinci's Vitruvian Man and the Mona Lisa. There are patterns that naturally occur in the universe, patterns we discovered in life, galaxies, star formations, evolution, and almost all natural systems, and the golden ratio is one of them. Being said, mathematics was all and still is one of the most powerful and important languages used for centuries by the great minds. Mathematics, or numbers, is the cradle of all creations. Without this, the world cannot move an even inch. Every human being, everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even animals, plants, insects have the golden ratio, the geometrical pattern. They use mathematics in the everyday life for existence. There must be at least some reason that Tesla was obsessed with the equations and numbers. I'm going to speak about the vortex math. You can see starting 1 and doubling it, 1 plus 1, we got 2. Again, doubling 2 plus 2, we got 4. Further, doubling 32 plus 32, we got 64. And summing up the 6 plus 4 gave us 10, which again, summing up the 2 digits gave us the same number. If you keep following this pattern, it will always give us the digits 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Even summing 7 plus 7 gives 14, which further gives 5 parentheses 1 plus 4. Notice how 3, 6, and 9 are not in this pattern. Scientists discoverer of the vortex math believes these numbers represent a vector from the 3rd to the 4th dimension, which he calls a flux field. The field is supposed to be higher dimensional energy that influences the energy circuit of other 6 points: 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Things start getting strange from here. If you take 3 numbers, 3, 6, and 9, starting getting the strange things from here with the 3 numbers, 3, 6, and 9, starting with 3 and doubling it. 3 plus 3 equals 6, 6 plus 6 equals 12, 1 plus 2 equals 3. You will find that there is no mention of 9. We also see a group of 3 smaller pyramids immediately away from the 3 larger pyramids, which makes the total number of pyramids to be 6. 3 pyramids that correlate with the constellation Orion. Is it a coincidence or their existence a significance of 3 and 6? If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Is it possible that there is something special about these mysterious numbers 3, 6, and 9? Tesla 369? Was 369 Tesla's code? Is it possible that Tesla uncovered the profound secret and used this knowledge to push the boundaries of science and technology? Well, we don't know, but we definitely find it fascinating how these numbers do relate to the universe in some way. Now that I have read the Tesla 369 and how these are the numbers are the keys to the universe, what do you think about Tesla 369 number theory? Well, to sum it up, the threes, according to the 3 synoptic gospels, the 3 wise men bearing 3 gifts came to witness the birth of Jesus of Nazareth. King Herod hatched a plot to murder the prophecy Messiah, an assassination plot which would take 30 years to come to fruition. That is when one of the Herod's 3 sons silenced Jesus' 3 years long ministry. In his ministry brief span, the Nazarene managed to raise 3 people from the dead, predicted his disciple Peter would deny him 3 times, all in the wake of his impending crucifixion. It was only right that 3 crosses were present during the crucifixion, 1 for Jesus and 2 for others. The Roman soldiers nailed a sign above the Nazarene's head in 3 languages: Hebrew, Latin, and Greek. Of course, once Jesus gave up the ghost, just 3 days later, he is said to have risen from the grave. In so doing, the 3 grand feats of the crucifixion, resurrection, and ascension signified the Holy Trinity was thus complete. Jesus Christ underwent his birth, life, and death, all within a span of 33 years. In short, 3 letters about sums up the Christian view. God, God. Something simple in real life we're going to talk about. Take, for instance, Michael Jordan, widely considered the greatest athlete of all. Jordan was drafted 3rd by the Chicago Bulls. He would later go on to win 3 championships in a row, only to have retired for a few years. Upon return, he won 3 more championships. Jordan credits much of his team's success to the famed triangle offense. Now, to conclude my story, mind, body, spirit means that our wellness comes not just from the physical health, but from the mental health and the spiritual health as well. To be healthy, we must pay attention to all 3 aspects of our nature. This is like the African way of religion. Now, I have a video on my channel that speaks about spirituality, African spirituality, and regular spirituality. Logic has 3 fundamental laws. The 3 fundamental laws of logic is 1, the logic of contradiction; 2, the law of excluded middle or third; 3, the principle of identity. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my video. Bye.